No one knew why Sam Darnold made that strange bird sound, until he won the Super Bowl and finally revealed the painful truth behind it. It was 2022, and he was playing for the Carolina Panthers, stuck at the lowest point of his career. The team was struggling, and as the starting quarterback, he was under immense public pressure. Every mistake he made was magnified and dissected. During a game against the Cincinnati Bengals, in a moment on the sideline during a timeout, he was so overwhelmed by anxiety and mental tension that he subconsciously let out a sound that resembled a bird call. The clip spread rapidly and became internet mockery overnight, turning into a label he couldn't shake. No one cared about the psychological toll he was enduring at the time. He was simply treated as a punchline. In later interviews, he admitted that during that period, he was even afraid to open social media. But he didn't let it break him. From the Panthers to the 49ers, and eventually to the Seahawks, he proved himself through every practice and every game. When he led Seattle to victory in the 2026 Super Bowl and lifted the Lombardi Trophy, he finally had the confidence to smile and